Welcome to the Sodium Attacker channel. Watching sodium is a little different than watching calories. If we're watching calories and we're losing weight, we can say, I'm really hungry today. I'm not watching calories today. I'll just do a little more exercise tomorrow. Sodium's not that way. When the doctor says stay under this many milligrams of sodium every day, he means every day. We can't say, I didn't use 200 milligrams yesterday. I'm just going to add it on to today. Or, I think I'll have cake and ice cream tonight. I'll just take it off for tomorrow. We can't do that. My mother had congestive heart failure. All I knew is that Mom wasn't supposed to use table salt. She came to visit us about 25 years ago. I fixed one of Mom's favorite dinners: ham, baked beans, scalloped potato, and French bread with butter. That night, Mom couldn't breathe. She spent 2 days in the hospital. When I picked her up, the only thing they said to me was, your mom can't use table salt. I didn't put any table salt in any of her food. We had Mom for another 3 or 4 years, and she passed from congestive heart failure. 2.5 years ago, we went to my husband's doctor. We've been married almost 60 years. Doctor said, John, you've got congestive heart failure. My heart went down into my toes. He said, go home and put that salt shaker out. Then he said something else. He said, keep your daily sodium under this many milligrams every day. I call that his magic number. Just scared the heck out of me. I'm the cook. That's a real heavy load to put on this little gal. So we got home and I thought, how do I do this? I don't have a clue. Started looking at my canned goods, my food that's in the pantry. Wow, lots of sodium. Some of the things that I had more sodium than what he was supposed to have all day long. I had to attack sodium. I discovered that I could look up ingredients in foods on the internet. Nutrients in, whatever it was. Then I could click and find out how much sodium was in each one. What surprised me is spices. Parsley doesn't say sodium. There's no label on here. I called the company, and they said on the spice, McCormick's, if it's got one ingredient in it, that's all that's in it. If it's got more than one ingredient, they have to list it. Nutrients in parsley. 1 tablespoon has 2. I mark everything. Then I don't have to look it up the next time I want to cook with it. Dill. 1 tablespoon has 1. And it goes on and on. I got rid of all the spices that said salt. Got a little bit curious and started looking up the rest of them. Chili powder has 240 milligrams for 1 tablespoon. I don't have any more. Got rid of that. Through the research, looking at labels and looking things up and redoing the way I cook, we have been able to keep his sodium down. He has his blood drawn every so often to check that. And every time it's down. I want to keep you below your magic number. Every recipe that I have that works for us has columns. I've got the ingredients, how much I used, and the milligrams of sodium tallied up down the bottom. I can look at it and say, okay, I can make this. Again, I only type it and put it in my book, and it's good. Your tip for the day is don't go over that sodium. It's not worth going to the hospital. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips. They're going to be coming your way, several of them every month. I would love to hear from you if you have comments or questions. I don't know everything that there is to know about sodium, but I know a lot. If you like what you see, press on that little like button. Come back and see us again for more tips on how you can lower your daily sodium. Just might surprise you where that stuff hides.